Let us skip counting by 12. 12 is equal to 10 plus 2. Therefore, let us add that number with 10 plus 2. Are you ready? Let's start with 12. 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. Plus 2 is equal to 24. That easy. I repeat. 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. Plus 2 is equal to 24. After 24, what's next? 24 plus 10 is 34. Plus 2 is equal to what number? Correct. It's 36. I repeat. 24 plus 10 is 34. Plus 2 is equal to 36. What's next after 36? 36 plus 10 plus 2. What is that number? Yes, you are correct. After 36, we have 48. What is next after 48? Can you guess? 48 plus 10 is equal to 58. Plus 2 is equal to 60. I repeat, 48 plus 10 is equal to 58. Plus 2 is equal to 60. Can you guess what is next after 60? 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. Plus 2 is what number? You are correct. It's 72. What is next after 72? 72 plus 10 plus 2 is what number? Absolutely, you are correct. It's 84. Let's proceed. After 84, what is that number? 84 plus 10 is 94. Plus 2 is what number? It's 96. Great job. As a summary, we have skip count 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and 96. Congratulations! This is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.